Good morning, Wednesday. Another glorious morning, and I'm so proud of myself. I've managed to achieve cut all the grass. Wow, it is super hard work, right? Don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining, but boy, sometimes I just wish that it's only half grass and the other half is concrete. I was talking to my neighbor when I put out my garden waste and the other one, the orange bin, and I said, "Oh, I did it," and then he said, "Yeah, I heard it last night," because I was like, was about, I think, what time did I posted that video? I think I've just about finished mine about 7 or just after 7 o'clock. I am super determined to get it done because I don't want to kind of like I started it and then I don't want to miss the weather, because I know at some point this week there will be rain again, so at least it's continuous dryness, so it's not too bad. There's a section it's still a bit wet, so that is honestly hard work. There is someone commented on my video about my lawnmower collapsed on the ground. Yes, it didn't just collapse. I purposely did that because I need to put it away and I need to clear out the mud, the rubbish, the gunk inside the mower. So it's nice and tidy, isn't it? You don't want to just like leave it with a quarter of it still in there, because like I said, some of the section are still a bit wet. Well, not wet as such, but moist. So yes, so I managed to do that, and then um I did touch up a little bit um some of the weeds and all of that in the front of the house, but half of it there still needs to be done. I still need to cut the grass there, so I am intending, well, my intention is to do that today. Whether I'm going to do it is another story. I am absolutely shattered. Woke up quite late, hence the lateness of the video, and tomorrow I have to go to work, and I don't think I want to do that um all of it, but hey, we'll see. All I want now is to just relax here in the garden, read a book, and yes, or watch a film here while enjoying the glorious sun we're having. So guys, whatever you do, do go out and enjoy the gorgeous weather, and thanks for subscribing.